guys, the last of the OEM parts that I needed have arrived, so I won't be putting on the pedals. I'll probably get the mechanic to do that, but the other stuff I will. And that's pretty close to finished. So let's just have a look at what I've got here. First of all, the main thing that I noticed was the pedals were just worn out completely. So the clutch and brake pedal are exactly the same. This is the part number. I'm not quite sure how these attach yet. I'll have to have a look. Yeah, so same part number. I also have a scratched right hand drive mirror. This is that one there. I'll show you where the scratch is when it's done. This one's a little bit apprehensive to take this off. You just pull it off evidently, so we'll see if that works. Okay, this one. This you actually have to buy the entire assembly just for the accelerator pedal. That's the part number there. I'll open all these in a tick, just give me a moment. And this is the handbrake boot, which has got micro tears all through it, so I've replaced this as well. Hopefully it's the right colour. Alright guys, so let's get to it, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Perfect. I'll keep the old one for the frame in case something ever happens, but yeah, this is perfect. No holes in it. Yeah, so the holes are all torn through here on the original, which I'll show you a bit later. Perfect stitching too. Beautiful. Alright, this one. Brand new mirror, no scratches. Beautiful. Okay, so I've told you just pull this off. It just clips off. Sorry, it clips on. So we'll see how that goes. I'll wash the car first, like I said. We'll do that one. Beautiful. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so it looks like it just slips on. That's doable. I won't unpackage this one yet, obviously, because yeah, it's exactly the same thing. The most expensive part was this one, obviously. This is exactly how it came. I had to make sure it was the right item. Yeah, I'm guessing this is being, there's no throttle wire, or whatever you want to call it, cable. It's electric. So I might get the mechanic to put this one. It looks like you just bolt it in and then there's a clip in here and then away you go, but I don't know anything about these. It would be nice to get a brand new pedal on there again. It has a pin in here like this, which you'd probably be able to remove if you absolutely needed to, but since I've got the whole new one now, I won't bother. Some type of pin dock in here. Alright guys, so that's the rest of the parts. A lot of custom trimming and aftermarket parts have still got to go in yet, so that's the last of the OEM. Alright guys, I'll go wash the car and I'll film putting in what I can. Cheers. Just something important too, I just got all this garbage out. Now I've really cleaned the car and gone through these seals before, but I've just used 2 toothpicks and some tweezers. I was trying to think of the word there. So yeah, there's a drain hole under here somewhere here you can kind of clean out. So I've just been pulling it out. It's crazy how many leaves and stuff are stuck in here. So make sure the drainage holes are clear just in here. You can kind of pull it out and come through. I thought I'd gotten the most of it there, but yeah, it's crazy how much stuff came out. And this is sitting there gathering water and, well, encourages rust really. So yeah, it's actually started raining, but the car still needs to have a wash. So I'm going to get on that. I just thought I'd show you there. So yeah, just try to drag this out and pull it all out. I can't believe how many leaves came out of there, considering this is a new panel as well. So once it's resprayed, it'll be funny to see how much actually comes out. Anyway, back to it. Guys, light's down, but you can tell how shiny it's looking now. Gave it a good wash. I'm going to bring it inside to do the mirror, obviously, because we've lost the light. But yeah, she came up good. Once the front window is polished, it should, yeah, just really come together there. Super shiny. I'll put some trim cleaner on the tyres and whatnot and rubbers maybe tomorrow. It's just running out of time today, but yeah, there we go. I'll bring it in, we'll pop on the handbrake cover and the mirror. Okay guys, we lost a lot of light, so we're back. I've just parked it in the garage now. We're just going to do this. Hopefully I don't break it. I hope there's enough light there. I can't really do much more about that. Okay, so from what I've read, you just push in from here, get your hand in here and then pull out this way. I've also used the hair dryer as well, just to warm up the plastic, just to give it a little bit of a hand. So let's see how we go. And there we have it. It popped off beautifully. Nothing's broken on there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the scratch right here. Not sure if you can. Right there. But anyway, yeah, it's right in your vision when you're driving, which is irritating. So yeah, let's put on the new one. Exactly the other way around. So I'll just give it a bit of a wipe down while we've got it off. Okay, and the new one exactly the same. We just clip it back on. So let's see how we go. That looks like it should be it. Hope the motor still works. One, two. Okay, there we have it. Alright. Okay, so next the handbrake. So yeah, I'll just get the light in there and set it up. Alright guys, so next is the handbrake boot. I've got the new one here. Pretty sure I filmed this earlier. I did spray it with some waterproofing and some protectant, like the shoe kind of stuff that you can get, and allowed it to dry. So yeah, let's check it out here. Should be pretty easy. I've done this before, I've just forgotten how to do it, to be honest. I guess, yeah. this just pulls out and away, basically up and then over the handbrake. Simple. Simple, he says, and then can't get it off. Okay, so that's that one out. There you can see all the tears here. It's torn here, and there's holes all the way down it. But anyway, I'll keep it in case I need to do another restitching or something, because the frame is perfect, so we'll keep that. Okay, and the new one, exactly the same way, except reverse. I'd really like to vacuum down now then, but I won't. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. Obviously it's factory, it should. It's a wear point right there. It's not the best, but yeah, okay. Alright guys, got a good job there, and obviously I'm not going to do the pedals right now, mainly because the accelerator pedal has to be unbolted with the box, and I'm not quite sure if there's something I need to do, or there's a mosquito in here. You can see they're completely worn out. I'm going to take the dead pedal off and polish those bolts, obviously, but yeah, I'll get those replaced soon altogether so they get even wear, but yeah, they're destroyed. So yeah, alright guys, so I'll mix this video up, and next video will be sway bars or something. I'll see what happens, but yeah, that's everything. Cheers guys.